One of my favorite things about Storyboard Pro is that I don't have to spend a lot of time writing my captions by hand. So whether you have a script or an outline or anything that's written down, you can import that dialogue, you can import that script. So let me show you how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is come over to the palette area and click on the Storyboard tab. You can see that this area right here is for script, and the way to import that script is pretty simple. Just come over here to the icon on the right, click on that, and it says Import Caption. Now, even though we're importing an entire script, this area is a caption area, so we're going to click on Import Caption. When we click on that, it's going to open up an area for us to navigate to wherever on our computer we have the script file. Now that I've located my TXT file, I'm just going to click on it and it loads up into the caption area. Now you can see that our script is now in this section. Now I should point out this Storyboard tab is different from the Panel tab. The Storyboard tab is the one that will include the entire script, whereas the Panel tab is where we can actually indicate the specifics of dialogue and action notes and other notes that you want to put in there. From this Storyboard tab, you can cut and paste and copy, and so that's what I'm going to do now, is just show you how you can select some of this. I will select this scene description and copy, and I could come over to my panel and go into action notes and paste, and there we go. I've got my action notes in there, and if I'm going to import dialogue, I can do the same thing. I can click on Lenny's dialogue, press copy, come over to my panel and paste that into the dialogue area. Now, right now we're working in the drawing workspace, but there are other workspace setups that allow you to actually just drag and drop the dialogue from the Storyboard tab into specific panels. So for example, the vertical workspace, I'm going to click on that to change workspace views. Now that I'm in this vertical workspace, I can click over to the Storyboard tab, select some of the script, and simply drag it over into one of the caption areas. I'm going to switch back now to the drawing workspace by clicking this button. As we start drawing our project, I'm going to take it panel by panel and copy and paste or drag this script information into the caption boxes for each separate panel.